You want to smell this? Can you pass?
So I can.
We're trying to burn sugar. We're trying to make browning. David, how is it going with the Christmas tree? How many balls have you burst or broken? Okay, congratulations. Don't put too. Can you put the light and fluffy now?
Light it.
How many cups?
They're supposed to cream.
Not cream yet.
Won't get it more cream.
You know, listen to ingredients.
The ingredients not always right. Sometimes you put a little extra this way. Yeah.
This cake, you should be sexy for the recipe because otherwise
It wants 250 grams of butter. She put 300 grams
Right,
of butter.
that's what, because we're going
Oh,
a little more than 1
yeah,
kilo.
but the problem is you fall
Maybe we
over
can only have 1 pan.
Well, there's a long thing there.
Okay, come.
Wait, this is 3 cups of sugar, of flour.
I do one by one. So one and then I run it in the middle.
And it's called sieving.
Yeah, we did that back in the day when there were brownies and that's the only reason why we did it.
Camera. Just a little bit more for the camera.
You see, if I know what
Pour a
we
little bit more brandy.
I can drink that cake.
Good job.
I know this brandy taste. I know if any is something
Anyway.
regular, no matter how amount of the thing.
We're gonna pour now. Really? Can you pour?
No,
That's enough?
because put it halfway.
Bend that
All
one.
right.
Better not chunking in the same sugar again. Finish? Miss Chambers, how are the cakes? Are you proud of yourself? They look good to me. Except the one in Bono.
Short this sponge.
Wait.
I want to get a little bit smaller as well. Because from their own weight they collapse a little bit. Looks nice. It's not a bad one.